Let's go through this interesting app called Zuni. Share both sides of your story. This app just has 31 ratings, but it's growing higher in the app charts in different countries. And they just introduced a new feature which I think makes it go higher in charts and becoming more popular, is that you have this split screen where you can use your front and back camera. So here you can see you can capture videos with both front and back camera facing cameras at the same time, something new and different. It can post directly to your other social media accounts too. So that's kind of feature for which BeReal became famous for, where you post picture with front and back camera. You can post videos, you can post photos. For example, you want to create some account, like you eating watermelon and you creating video about it. So with normal like TikTok video, you just showing either your watermelon or your face. Here you can just show like two sides of the story, like your face and then how you're like eating watermelon itself, for example, or just how you enjoying some coffee in cafe. So you can show coffee and then you can show yourself. So it's kind of, it adds some interesting experience towards it, and it's definitely worth checking out this app if you're into social media, if you're in Instagram. I think that's the future of these experiences.
It's freezing
out
here.
Here you can see how it looks like. So there is like
I love Carla.
people are trying to, so you see here like a face and then the stuff
You
which
have-
I'm doing with
Hey
my
guys, I'm
hands,
gonna eat
or
this
like
whole
exactly
entire
how I'm
watermelon
eating
and see how long it
watermelon.
takes
I
me,
just
okay?
saw this video
Ow!
before
This is how I
and
spend
I'm
most of my
just sharing
days.
my experiences.
This is how I spend most of my days.
So that's how it works. You can then just discover different accounts, different hashtags, how it is working. You can find all activity here. You can find messages. You can tap on and then create like a split screen, mini screen, full screen. So that's basically how the app works. For some reason it says multicam not supported. I don't know why. Maybe it's just because my iPhone model is like iPhone 7 or something like that. But it should work. So you have different views, like you have split screen, you have mini screen, you have full screen. So you can also post without this front and back camera. Then you have messages, and then you have your profile. You will see all your posts here. You can edit your profile, you can add name, username, you can enter your bio, you can add your URL, you can change your profile photo here. Then there are all these different settings. If you don't want to be like super public, you can always just enable private account here. You can block users, just like all the standard features. Enable 2FA for higher security. Also, if you're not secure about your privacy or your data here, you can just tap and delete account from here. You can sync your contacts, invite friends, download data, request verification. So if you want to get verified, that's what you can do. You can always ask questions and reach out to their support, hello@zuni.app. So that's what you can do. Yeah, so that's the idea of the app. Then you can just search here for all the hashtags, just discover all the accounts. You can have tabs where you following accounts or when you want to discover them. And that's basically the idea. What else? Yeah, so I think just because of that feature they just added where you can post with front and back cameras, this app is actually in the top charts in some European countries. In some other countries it's not yet in top charts in US because BeReal is just dominating everything there. But yeah, it's an interesting idea. So definitely one of BeReal alternatives if you don't like the original BeReal app. So give it a try. This app is probably gonna add much more features and there will be much more users. So give it a try and check it out.